I was just told that I have to help bag. I guess you bag your own groceries here. So I'm eagerly awaiting my job assignment. Here we go. Welcome to the channel. I am Matt the Lizard, your guide in this adventure and exploration. Today, we're at a brand new Aldi in Panama City Beach. Not a sponsor, but they could be. Okay, so remember to keep both hands inside the vehicle until it comes to a complete stop. We're gonna go on and watch this one all the way to the end. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. All I know about Aldi is that they bought up a bunch of the Winn-Dixies. Don't you know I'm YouTubing? And they're a German-owned company, so you have that German efficiency. So let's go check them out, see what they got going on in here. Last time I've been in an Aldi was probably about 1983 in the Chicagoland area. Here's the exterior. I like the balloon. So this was formerly a Winn-Dixie.
It's just like the one in Germany.
It's just like the one in Germany, she says. Ach so. I didn't realize there's all these little rules. Had to bring our own shopping bags. And you have to pay a quarter for the shopping cart. Now, I don't know what happens if you bring a cart in. Do you save the quarter? I mean, if you're really cheap or you don't have any change at your house like I don't. So what we're gonna do today is I got some Canadian quarters. We're gonna see if these work. That's not very nice, but it's all we had. I mean, we had no change at our house. Unless you want some railroad squashed pennies. All right, let's go see what's going on inside. So I didn't know this place had so many rules. What you do is you put the quarter in and unlocks.
And you get it back when you unlock.
So Canadian quarters work. It's unfortunate, but it was all I had. All right, let's go see what. First impression, my wife says it's tiny.
Wow. Look how big those apples are.
Good Honeycrisp apples.
They have a brioche.
When you look at something.
Did you want to try it?
Yes.
It's chocolate brioche.
Sounds good to me.
You even got boobies. Whoa! Look at how they got your kind of beard. That's different.
Well, it is German owned. I highly expected them to be playing Kraftwerk on the radio up top.
I must get back to Dan Centrum in Stuttgart in time to see Kraftwerk.
Oh my God. Some of these I've never seen before.
So what do you think of the prices so far?
They're a lot better.
A lot better than
Winn-Dixie. I mean, Walmart.
7-Eleven's better than Winn-Dixie's
See,
prices.
look at that's only like those are Layla's favorite. Right there. They're Layla's favorite. They're only $1.89. Well, cheese, hot honey.
Nutella, of course. Is this what the size of Winn-Dixie was before?
Guess
They cut it in
so.
half.
They just made bigger aisles.
Huh?
It's been a hot minute since I've been in the other one. The meat's the same as public. That's a hot one.
Yes. What's this? Happy tomorrow. Espresso. Bustelo. Substitute. $2.49 for breakfast. Now that's, I know that's cheap.
I don't know. I think it's a mix.
I would drink.
That's not bad. Did you need water?
Yeah, we don't have water at the house. Fruta. Abbas, you got the mango juice. These are 59 cents.
Oh, these are all flavored waters.
But that's cheap, isn't it? 60 cents for here.
Where's the original water?
I wonder what they taste like. They're only 5 calories. Nice.
Try it. They got orange mango, pink grapefruit.
Which one do you think?
I don't know. Black raspberry, strawberry, kiwi. You choose.
I was gonna choose, since it's not, doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, I would go with something that's tart to start with. Like a black raspberry, or they got something more sour than that.
They got pink grapefruit.
Okay, there you go. I'll try that.
Ours. Oh, they even have is there sparkling? Oh, they're all
down here it's
carbonated. This is all carbonated too.
These are 69 cents. Ow. Pineapple coconut.
Oh.
Pineapple coconut. 69 cents.
Ooh, there's Kelly's frog. Well, that's gonna explode.
That wasn't my fault. Mistakes were happening.
Here's regular water. Can you grab one?
Yeah.
Those are the smaller bottles.
Which one's a better deal? 24-pack of spring water. All the same price. How does that make sense?
You're telling me. Oh, I need to rent that chicken. That stuff's good.
What are these 19 cents? How can you sell something for 19 cents? That's one of these.
Yeah, shredded crab ravioli.
This is interesting.
The garlic cubes.
Garlic, yeah.
Oh, pork tamales. Would you eat those?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, Matt.
What?
$8.99 for 6 of those bacon and cheddar cheese and bacon patties.
Sounds good.
Got the popcorn chicken. Oh, there it is.
Joe?
We air fry them and they turn out real good.
Okay.
They're supposed to taste like Chick-fil-A.
Okay. Little tip.
They even have, look at ahi tuna steak.
Wow. They do delivery and curbside.
Do they?
Yes. corn dogs. One of my nemesis.
They have a chicken cheeseburger and a pita.
Do they have shawarma?
Gross.
Oh, I love shawarma.
Gotta get my microwave.
What is it? Soft pretzels. These are amazing. But microwavable. And our microwave is broken right now. We're living like Little House on the Prairie.
Super. Welcome to Little House on the Prairie.
They have dog ice cream.
Yes? Yeah, taller. That's okay. I totally agree. Thank you. You're so welcome. Yes, we do ice. Dr. Flavor. Dr. Pepper flavor.
So what happens if you don't have a bag? You have to buy one?
Yeah.
Or put it in your pockets?
You just put it back here, put it in your car, and then bring back the thing.
Is it a cost-saving measure, or is it
I
more
guess
of an
so.
environmental thing?
I don't know.
Ask the Germans. Just plug that, lady.
I know. I'm sorry.
Watch it, Steven Spielberg. Okay. Pork and beans for 87 cents. That's good when you gotta feed the troops.
Yeah. Big thing of
Clean peaches and heavy syrup.
What are you talking about?
Bonus points. Who am I quoting?
I don't know.
Right.
A lot of it is not name brand.
But that's okay.
But they make sure it look like it is.
You got any good protein bars?
I don't know. You could try them. Right here. Dark chocolate and peanut butter. Or peanut butter, dark chocolate, and almond.
Okay, I'll try that. That sounds good.
For work?
Millville protein chewy bars. I wonder if that means it's made locally.
Not look. Where?
In Millville.
It's the same as, like I said, I think Publix.
Same quality,
Price.
same prices in Publix? Or
Yeah.
means expensive. What's that?
Teriyaki season. Teriyaki season chicken thighs.
That's what my stripper name was.
Get out of my way. You're so weird. You try.
Okay.
Oven turkey.
Deli sliced oven turkey, prepackaged. How many sandwiches will you make out of that?
Probably 2 the way you eat.
Aw, Dagwood.
You're a full boy. Yeah.
My stomach just gets lonely.
Your stomach's always full.
Jeez, look at this Pringles can.
Party pack.
I don't think my arm is long enough to go all the way down here. Street corn flavored Fritos. Yeah. Not unbeatable. Not Tostitos, not Rotel. What are these? Crackers. Really hard. They have a good German wine.
Seriously?
Why are you driving an American car?
Dude, stop.
It's salt and pepper. Wait. No filter. That is a number. Nappers. Knappers? Wafer with milk cream, hazelnut. Oh, like Nutella?
Yeah.
The hazelnut pieces in there. You don't want to eat those in bed. It'll make crumbs everywhere.
Oh, that for $1.89?
Ooh, yeah. Those potatoes are pretty cheap.
Oh, yeah.
I kind of like these. This little salt and pepper, maybe some rosemary, thyme
Hey,
in
put
there.
them in there. Well, I won't be buying ketchup here.
Why? Oh, they don't
It's all
have.
generic.
They don't have Heinz ketchup here. Interesting, considering the name. You know that's not an Irish name.
I got a headache. That's about it. It's not big. Oh, they got a pizza cookie. Look, pizza cookie.
Ooh, that looks good.
How about a California cauliflower pizza?
Oh, no, wait. I hate cauliflower. Cauliflower is just as bad as eggs. What are those?
Grapes.
They're gigantic.
I know, that's what I want to try.
Actually, I like Milo sweet tea. This is a Florida thing. Sweet tea. You people up north, you call it iced tea with sugar, but this is sweet tea. Milo's in a gallon when it's about 100 degrees outside. Good stuff. You can taste the diabetes. No, those are awful.
What?
That is awful.
I know. Because their stove doesn't do it right.
You're gonna do that? I knew someone else used to blame the stove. It's a poor craftsman who blames their tools.
It is. It's your fault. I could have got a new stove, but you wouldn't give it to me.
I'm
You
sorry,
yourself-
I'm not monetized yet. You want me to buy you a $5,000 stove?
It's not 5,000.
How much was it?
It was $749.
Tax, total, everything out the door, plus the microwave
It would
demand,
have been less than 2,000.
plus
I could have
delivery and
everything I
takeaway.
like. But no, you did not want to do that.
That stove was not $700.
Yeah, it was.
More like $2,700.
Nope, wrong.
We're gonna go.
I know, I looked. Have a nice
Ooh,
day.
little muffins. I know a little girl who likes those. The cinnamon buns look good too. Wow. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Creepies.
That's Izzy's favorite.
Creepy paper. Creepy paper master?
Creepies. What show? What are we doing in the shadows?
Oh,
Yeah. Forget so soon. Sure thing, Gizmo.
huh?
Sure thing, Gizmo.
Okay, I'm done.
We go up and down every aisle?
Yeah. Yeah, I did. It wasn't a lot, unfortunately.
Okay.
You put it in the bag, Matt.
What do I do? Oh, okay.
No! Oh my god.
What am I doing?
No.
Oh,
Give it up.
I'll bag your stuff. Yeah, film me bagging it. That's good. Film me bagging it.
I am.
Like that. There we go. Is this what you wanted?
I guess.
That's chicken, potatoes, the box stuff here. Pretzels in here. I'll put the turkey into the chicken. Cold with the cold, hot with the hot. Go in here. Good. Grapes, juice, and bread. And the water can go separate. And it fit in there. Nobody came.
Okay. Be a real quarterback, though.
Because of switching the carts, you get a quarterback. Okay. Okay. I'll give you guys a quarter for the cart.
Thanks.
All right, you need one too? Or you got one? All right. I confused them. So if there's like a cart in the lot and I bring it, I get a quarter for that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna get rich over here. I'm trading Canadian quarters for American quarters and getting free ones out of the carts. Or pardon me, buggies. It's free real estate.
Real estate fraud.
All in all, I did enjoy the place. It is a weird set of rules they have in there. Kind of like Starbucks, you know, you got it. I don't know how to order coffee at Starbucks, so I never go there. Plus their coffee tastes horrible.
No, it doesn't.
Well, to each their own.
You don't know good taste.
Never say that to the man who married you.
That's an exception.
Here we are in our Ford Bronco grocery
Uh-oh.
getter. Oh, that's going back. I'm getting a refund. You dented my water, Aldi. So you switch the cart at the register, put your bags in the cart that you're switching to, and put your groceries in the bag.
We did do that in Lynnhaven.
They didn't do that in Lynnhaven. There's a lot of things they do in Lynnhaven they don't do over here. Thank God. No offense to my Lynnhaven viewers.
Go.
You gotta check that police chief though, he's got problems. Okay, we're gonna go return the cart. Alright, so we're gonna see what I gotta do here. I really don't know. You connect this to that. Okay, put them together. This goes in here. I don't get it. Oh, okay, and then the quarter comes out. George Washington. Here's one that nobody did. Okay. This ain't easy. I guess, oh, you don't hook it to itself? You hook it to, no, you hook it to that. Okay. I'll spread the wealth. Here, ma'am, I got a quarter for you. Oh, you got one? I can't even give the quarters away. Okay. Now these people brought one in that I saw on the edge of the parking lot. So they get theirs quarter free. Let me see. Yeah, they got the one I was gonna grab. Bayou Bill's right there. Awesome place for dinner. Show up at 5. If you show up 5 minutes past 5, you're gonna have problems. Okay. What if all these quarters I wanted to give away? Alright, she'll take one. Ma'am, you want a quarter for the cart?
Oh, I'm good. Thank you. I'm not going to get a cart.
Oh. Nobody will take my free quarters. If I stay here till I give all these quarters away, my wife is going to get really mad. So I don't get it. So some people choose just to carry the stuff out rather than bring the cart back. Some people ignore the quarter. Some people hand them off. This is a whole fun, like, sociologist puzzle. There's nobody else to give quarters to. So what I'm gonna do, instead of leaving a lizard this time, I'm gonna leave some quarters for some people. So I got 5 quarters right here. And I'm gonna leave them as you go in, see quarter in, quarter back. I'm gonna leave them right here. So the next 5 people, their quarters are paid for. I got it. There you have it, and there it is. Thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this one. As always, I do these mostly for my entertainment. I do appreciate everyone watching. I had fun. I learned how the rules work at Aldi, somewhat. I would come again. They're gonna put one very close to my house soon, so we'll probably be hitting that one up. But I just wanna say thank you to everybody for watching. If you could please subscribe down below. I am getting very close to my next goal of 500 subscribers, and I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who just views. That's always appreciated as well. I have merch. Matt the Lizard Conserve parody t-shirts. I still have some left. Probably not gonna have any more printed after this run. I'll put a link in the description for that. And I also have a Cameo. So if you want a personalized video for yourself or for a business, very affordable, click the link in the description. All right. Well, remember, you are important. And the world needs more people like you. Matt the Lizard, out.